house को.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hi guys, Bharti this side. This is my first ever YouTube video on my first ever YouTube channel, and to start things off I felt I wanted to do an outfit video which is based on primary colors, which is going to be a set of 3 videos. And the first video is going to be just me wearing outfits which have red elements, and then followed by blue and then yellow. And I think मेरी help भी हो जाएगी because I have my Christmas event coming up at work. I hope you guys like this, and yeah, let's get on with it. Now that I'm looking at this outfit, I don't think I'll be able to wear this out in public. And other than that, if I'm talking about the jacket,
like this jacket.
and it is a very safari-esque jacket, and just to kind of make up for not wearing enough below it, I think wearing those knee-length boots balanced it, but not enough. I've paired it with this bag, and I'm just doing a lot of next video में नहीं करूँगी, but it's cute nonetheless. This is outfit number 2. I think in my head I kind of realized कि bro, this is not something I'll be able to go out wearing, so I decided to also increase the amount of red, pair it up with these red stockings. And just because I was wearing something very loose fitting on top, I decided to go with something extremely form fitting. Now if you see, if I'm standing still like this with my hand ऐसे नीचे or touching my leg, the bag that I'm carrying, it merges with the stocking. So way the stockings are still the hero of the outfit without the bag grabbing a lot of attention. And yeah, now looking at it, looks bomb. I think this is one of my favorite outfits out of the lot. I am wearing a mini red colored skirt under the vest. Why this outfit works is because the vest covers my shoulders and ends right above my hip, and that's where my skirt starts. So you get a peekaboo of red. And then to balance everything out, because even my arms are exposed and my legs are exposed, I thought that I'll pair it up with knee-high boots which pull everything together. Yeah, cute लग रहा है, but दिल्ली की ठंड का outfit नहीं है bro ये. This is my Christmas air hostess look. Funny story, I got this skirt with my mom, and we kind of thought कि ये ना ऐसे पूरा गोल घूम के waist के ऊपर you have to tie. But then मैं घर पे आई and I was like, no bro, like this is not working. मतलब I don't think that was the intention of the designer. So I started experimenting, and then I realized कि actually it is a backless halter neck dress, which is so risque is a nice word ना, that मैंने उसके ऊपर स्वेटर पहन लिया ताकि मैं कुछ तो कवर हो जाऊं. And yeah, that's what you see यहाँ पे ऐसे. It has come out, the two things that you need to tie around your neck, and I've created a bow out of it. And when I showed this to my brother, he was like, Aarti, you're looking like an air hostess. But oh well, at least I'm looking like a cute air hostess. So yeah. I paired it with these pointed heels. These are also kitten heels. If you know me, my comfort trumps everything, and especially when it comes to shoes, I just cannot, for the love of God, wear anything that kills my feet. I don't know how girls do it. I can't. क्यूट सा आउटफिट है, ऊपर का थोड़ा बल्की टॉप हो गया है, तो आई थिंक दीज हील्स वर्क बिकॉज देन इट एक्सेंचुएट्स द sleekness of my ankle. By coincidence, I had a belt which matched the dull burgundy of my socks, and I was like, wow. And to make it a little unusual, I decided to wear these chessboard patterned shoes. It's looking cute. I'm not so sure about the bag because उसके ऊपर वो है वो what do you call it? Those shells जो मोस्टली इंडियन डिजाइनर्स यूज करते हैं अपने बैग्स के ऊपर, वो सिप्पी. आई थिंक द कलर पैलेट गोज, बट आई एम नॉट सो श्योर इफ द वाइब ऑफ द बैग गोज विद दिस आउटफिट. बट ठीक है, क्यूट लग रहा है. लाइक नॉट दैट बैड. इवन द प्रपोर्शंस आर वर्किंग रियली नाइसली. लाइक बहुत नीचे से एकदम ऐसे स्लीक सा हो गया है. स्कर्ट का भी क्योंकि शेप ऐसा है, थोड़ा टाइट एंड नॉट सो टाइट दो. एंड देन विद द सॉक्स एंड द शूज, इट्स लाइक माई लोअर बॉडी इज गेटिंग elongated because of all of these elements. And then the bulkier sweater on top, so everything works out well. For the next outfit, I paired the same woolen skirt with a red burgundy sweater because this sweater has like a pretty deep neck and I was showing a little more skin than I intended. I decided to balance it with these knee-high tan boots. To accessorize the entire thing, I decided to go with my favorite brown colored sunglasses and this tiny sa pouch, which kind of I decided to pin it up in the corner where I tucked in my sweater. Sometimes accessories play such a major role because just taking out the sweater and putting a belt over it has really accentuated my waist. The silhouette wasn't working for me, so I decided to fold the skirt up a bit. Then I paired it with these knee-high socks. ये भी cute है. I decided to pair the same red sweater I was wearing in the previous outfit with a beige skirt instead of a woolen skirt because थोड़े थोड़े elements की खुद की vibe होती है and जैसे ही you switch up the elements, the entire vibe of the outfit changes. I decided to pair it up with these sneakers which have red, white and dark blue. I paired my favorite brown sunglasses with every outfit because इतने versatile होते हैं ऐसे pieces that these are just must-haves in your wardrobe. And I am actually allergic to dust and ऐसी threads and changing up the outfits इतनी जल्दी with all these like changing so many sweaters continuously. It
made me itchy.
लग रहा है कि लाइक दिल्ली विंटर्स के लिए इतना अच्छा नहीं होगा. हमारा ऑफिस का क्रिसमस इवेंट्स आर यूजुअली ऑन द टेरेस सराउंडेड बाय अ जंगल. ऊपर टेरेस पे ब्रो इट इज लाइक 2 or 3 degrees लेस. दैट इज द ओनली सेटबैक हियर. For the next outfit, I decided to pair the same skirt and the same sneakers with the white full sleeve sweater that I wore earlier. And to bring in a little bit of red, I used this red bag because it brings up the red in my shoes. I love this skirt. I genuinely love this skirt. And iske andar I decided to switch up my sunglass game. I decided to use these sunglasses because they match the vibe of my skirt. My next outfit, I decided to pair the same beige skirt with a red burgundy jacket. This is a very comfortable and a very warm jacket, and I decided to wear my knee-high tan boots under it because ऊपर इतना ज़्यादा bulky हो गया है कि I cannot do something very minimal at the bottom. Like it needs to balance out. And then I paired it up with this brown bag because it brings out the dark brown detailing on the side of the boots, and the entire outfit is tied together. And then my favorite sunglasses again. Okay guys, so these were my 10 outfits which I put together for my first part of the series of primary colors for outfits, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and whichever outfit you like the best, I want you to vote for it down below, and the outfit that gets the most votes, I'll end up wearing that at my Christmas event. Bye!